Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to adjust everything about the lightings in iClone 8 3D animation software. And I'm going to just go through a very detailed explanations that's all about the lighting in iClone 8. And let's go! How to adjust the lighting for your iClone 8 3D animation software. All of the essential skill to adjust the lighting, I'm going to just show you from beginning, and I didn't save anything here. And first I'm going to just create a floor, and I'm going to just create a few 3D model like a box, a cone, a sphere, and from here I'm going to show you the lighting. Actually, what are the lights component? Right, like that, it will be clearer. To adjust the lighting here. So first, we are going to just observe the scene. There are a few lights. You can see this arrow. All of these arrows are the lighting. Now I'm going to just off it all and just on it one by one. You can see all of these are lighting. But even though if you already off everything, but you still can see some lights actually. That is called image-based lighting. You can just go to the visual, go to here, scroll down. This is what we call the IBL, image-based lighting. If you off this, then you can't see anything. This is completely dark, and the rest are just the background. What about if you also want to just turn off the background light? Actually, the background is just a color. So I may just go to the window workplace, just show all panel, and I close this. We are going to just look it from here under the project. Then the background color. Actually, that is the background color. If you want it to be completely dark, you can just make it completely black in that way. Then click OK. Then Ctrl G to turn off the grid. Actually, now it is completely dark. I go to the scene. I'm going to just on a light. See, this is the key light, the side light, the back light, and also the floor shadow. Right. So now actually if you on it on everything here, it will be bright and the background is completely black and dark. So now if you want to adjust the color, you can just go to one of it. For example, this is the key light. Once you already click it, then go to the modify here. Actually, you can adjust the brightness. Let's say now I off everything. It only left the key light. The multiplier under the modify, you can adjust the intensity. And you can adjust the color. You can change the color of the light. See. Now I'm going to use any color of the light you can see. So next is the side light. I activate it. This is another color. Of course, I can change the multiplier as well. So now I change the color. For example, I just make it red. Click OK. I'm going to change the multiplier. You can see it can be extremely bright. It can be just dim. The shadow, you can just take it. If you don't want the shadow, you can adjust it. Alright, then the next is the backlight. I just turn it on. The backlight, you can adjust the color, you can adjust the brightness as well if you want. It can be another color. You can see this part, it is another color. You can adjust it from here. See? Click OK. Now you have different color of the light from different direction. It is really awesome. The key light. Then you also can just create a point light. I'm going to just off some of it and I'm going to show you. But before that, I will just show you the direction. For any of the lights, if you want to change the direction, I'm going to off everything first. Now it is just let the key light on. I want to change the direction. Just click the key light, just make it seen, and just press E. You can adjust the direction. It is really easy. For any of the lights, you can adjust the direction as well. Just for example, the side light, just make it seen and you can adjust the direction. It is really easy. Right. And next is the, I'm going to just turn it on. Next, I'm going to show you how to just create a point light. So I click create light, just create a point light. Now you can see a point light is here. I move it to here. This is the point light. It is just a point. So for this point light, I can adjust the color. Just adjust it from here. It can be any color. Okay. It is just a point light. Alright. So this point light, if you adjust the direction, that is meaningless. No need to adjust the direction. It is just a point. So I unseen it. Next, I'm going to show you how to just create a spotlight. Now you have a spotlight. Control G. This spotlight, you can adjust it to just make it shine on somewhere. You can see the multiplier. You can adjust the color as well. Intensity, the range, you can adjust the range. You can adjust the angle of the spotlight. You can just rotate the spotlight. It is really easy to control. Sometimes you make the 3D animation, you just want to make some spotlight. It is easy. Usually you can just put it as white light. Then it will be universal to have the white light. Alright, and what else? One more is the directional light. The directional light. And for this time, I'm going to just off the spotlight first. And it just left the directional light. For the directional light, it is just, you can adjust the direction. But it is just like a sunlight. Easy to control. And everywhere there will be shine by the directional light from all area. Alright, now you can see sometimes you can combine different types of the light together, then you have different lighting effect. You can just make it easy. You can off some shadow, you can on the shadow. It depends on what type of the effect you want. Alright, that's all for today about my tutorials about the lighting in iClone 8 3D animation software. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials and sharings, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials or sharings, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy! Happy 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing. See you!